You're watching All of Us A News.
SeaWorld San Antonio just opened up a brand new ride on March 2nd. Many people were standing in line for Catapult Falls, the new camping-themed attraction. It is the world's first flume coaster and the only vertical lift in North America. There are 11 boats that can carry up to 8 passengers each, that navigate the waters of the ride that will rock and sway riders to the elevator lift. So hang on tight as you're lifted up at 7 feet per second. And then enjoy the 55-foot drop at a staggering 53 degrees at 30 feet per second. It is the steepest drop in the world for this type of ride. The first 500 riders got this free silicone pint glass to commemorate the occasion. Let us know in the comments. Would you be riding Catapult Falls at SeaWorld San Antonio soon?